Hello guys, how are you? Today we discuss about vowel sound in English. There are generally about 20 vowel phoneme means sounds, 7 short means legs, 5 long means tense, 8 diphthongs. Total vowel sounded are 20 sounds. Now vowels. Categorization according to length, tongue position and others, how they are produced and how sound are produced. First one is categorization by length. In this, first one is short, lax vowel. These are produced with less muscular tension and often a shorter duration. Now long tense vowels, long or tense vowels. These are produced with greater muscular tension and a longer duration as compared to short vowels. In vowel sounds in English, second is categorization by tongue position. The tongue's position is described along two axes. A is height and B is frontless. Now A, height. We discuss about according to height how they produced or how vowels sound are produced. How high the tongue is in the mouth. In this, there are three types of vowel and how they produce is according to height. First one is high vowels. In this, the tongue is raised high in the mouth. For example, the vowel I. Now mid vowels. The tongue is in the middle position, neither high or nor low. Now low vowels. The tongue is positioned low in the mouth. Example, the vowel A. Now number B. Frontness. According to tongue position, we have height and frontless. Now frontness. It means the part of tongue raised toward the palate. In this, there are also three types. First one is front vowel. The front of the tongue is raised, such as in vowel I. Now center vowels. The center of the tongue is raised as in the vowel A. Now back vowels. The back of the tongue is raised such as in the vowel U. Vowel sounds in English according to their categorization. Number 3 is other factors. In this, first one is lip rounding. It means how our lips are rounded or spread. First one is rounded vowels. In lip rounding, there are two types of vowel sounds. First one is rounded vowels. The lips are rounded. In this, lips are rounded. For example, U. Second one is unrounded or spread vowels. The lips are not rounded or are spread. Example, I. Now, other factor is according to height. In this, there are two types of vowel. First one is closed vowels, or this means high vowels. The tongue is raised close to the palate, resulting in a narrow opening for airflow. For example, I or U. I as in see and U as in food. Now, open vowels means low vowels. In this, the mouth is open and the tongue is positioned low in the mouth. For example, AE or A. AE as in cat and A as in card. These are the vowels sounded according to their length, tongue position and other factors. This helps in producing vowel sounds. Now we have English vowel system, or how English vowel sound are produced. This picture shows how they produce. In this picture, how all types of vowels are produced according to length, tongue position and other factor. You have to see this picture and you can easily understanding about vowel sound. but we had already discussed about vowel sound according to their length, tongue position and other factor, but you can't easily understanding before slide. You can see this picture how vowel are produced. You can see this detailedly and then you can understand easily. Now classification of English vowel sound according to this picture. You can see this picture and you can easily understanding this, but we had already discussed about classification of English vowels, but you can't understanding before. Then you have to see this picture and you have to understand easily according to length, tongue position and other factors. This picture shows how they are produced vowel sound. You can see this picture and you can easily understanding. Thank you or thank you for any mistakes.